everybody, it's Billy from Better Rhodes, here to launch our 5-day alcohol-free challenge. Why are we launching a 5-day alcohol-free challenge? Well, over the last 5 weeks, drinking 9 days a week, there's 7 days in a week. So you know what? That's one reason right there. I gotta give my brain a break. I want to give my liver a break. I want to give my stomach a break. I want to give my physical health a break. I want to give my mental health a break. So come, join me, join us at Better Rhodes while we celebrate this time of during those 5 days, and we celebrate with some awesome alcohol-free cocktails that we make with some amazing alcohol-free spirits. We've got a whole range of different spirits that we're going to be trying out. Some that we have a Better Rhodes, some that we don't, but we're going to try them all out. What's pretty cool is a lot of these spirits, they emulate things like, different alcohol spirits like vodka, bourbon, rum. We're going to try all those out. We're going to try some amazing alcohol-free beers out. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to mix them all up with some different ingredients that we have on hand, and we encourage you to do the same thing. Hey man, if we got a lemon on hand, we're going to use a lemon. If we got a lime, we're going to use a lime. If we got an orange, we're going to use an orange. Maybe use a banana, maybe use a carrot, whatever. We're just going to use whatever we got on hand, put it all together, make a big soup, and have an awesome time. And we encourage you to join us during the alcohol-free challenge, the 5-day alcohol-free challenge with Better Rhodes.